this one's for the money.
Skyrockets in flight. Afternoon.
Howdy, y'all. It's your friend Bill Oxidean out here, testing just right at dusk. It's about to get dark out here. But the reason I'm out here is I just got to know what these new prototype motors do. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is my passion. I'll tell you what, them other people who sell RC boats, the distributors, or, you know, this.com or whatever, these guys, they don't even play with boats. They base all their data on what you say on Facebook. I can't do that. I'm providing boats. I'm setting the trends, not following them. Here we are, 6S Dom. I'm gonna get a speed on this thing because I have a strong suspicion it's gonna go very well. Let's find out. And as they say, this one's for the money. On your mark, get set, go!
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
I just love that sound. It's gotta be doing better than that. Last lap. Now that was such a fun run. Now that was fun. That was real fun. Just cruising and enjoying the boat, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy, nothing too getting too hot, boat's not getting too out of shape. I still got some pretty glassy water, another set of batteries, and I'm just trying to break them in. So instead of doing that sprint stuff for you guys at the end of the video like usual, I'm gonna do some more long, deep and wide overruns. Care to join? Let's do it. Now that sky just looks wicked. Let it rip! See what's up. We'll have to do something about that. Oh yeah, it looks robust. That was weird. I don't know what that was. Like it picked something up. It for sure did.
5.4.
Okay, now the prop definitely picked something up. It was definitely steering funny. But whatever it was, it must have fell off because I tried it before I brought it back in and it was cool.